real market rates are about to come in. Not that any great excitement is promised. And sure enough, we open about 10 points higher on the Nifty at 56.37, so things seem okay. 52 points up on the Sensex, so that's not open too badly either. So it's a quiet but positive opening. Reliance is up about a percentage point on hopes that the BP deal will finally see the light of day. KN is up a percentage point after slipping yesterday. It's 316 there. There's some buying in beaten down cement stocks from yesterday. Ambuja has done well. Tata Steel hasn't started too badly. And Sesagoa from the metal space is also up a little bit. Among the heavyweights, it's Bharti, ITC and TCS, which do quite well. By quite well, I mean 0.5%. That's the average for the gaining list in the Nifty this morning. And DLF also bounces back 0.5%, so that's not done too badly. HCL Tech and TCS in the technology space both look pretty okay this morning. And it's not just Tata Steel, but JSPL from the metal pack, which has also done quite well. By the way, a lot of excitement in the listings, as you can see. But remember, Timber Home, you saw such excitement in some of those names too. And you know how that one ended up. On the way down, Sterlite is a bit soft, Hindalco is a bit soft as well, so the non-ferrous pack seems to have slipped off a little bit. SBI is down 0.5% and ICICI Bank is down 0.33%. So the Bank Nifty is looking just that little bit sluggish, carrying on from where it left off yesterday. And now some of the ADHE names like Reliance Communication have also drifted into the red, but not a whole lot to report from the large caps. We've had a flat opening with a positive bias at 56.40 Nifty, 18,800 on the Sensex. What about mid caps, Mithali?
Index opens about flat today, so there's not a whole lot happening with the index itself, but the breadth actually opens up better than what we've seen these last few days, 400 to 150 as you can see, so hopefully that should hold through the course of this day. Good advance decline ratio for now. That's what the two new listings are doing. As you said, Rushil Decor gets a good start. That opened up about 8% I think, and now it's up to almost a 12% gain. And Birla Med Spa also opened in the green and has now actually built on its gains, so that stock is up some 22-23% as we speak. 12 rupees and 45 for Birla Med Spa this morning. SKS opens down almost 7% today, so there is pressure on that stock. As I was saying earlier, apparently auditors have identified nearly 400 cases of alleged cash embezzlement involving the employees and loans that they gave out. So that stock is reacting negatively to that. I don't think the quantum is very large, but the news is disturbing, so that stock loses 6% straight off the bat. And Lanco is the other stock we were talking about that may start off negatively, and indeed Lanco sees some pressure today in trade, so that stock as well opens down about 0.5%. Some weakness in a few of the aviation names. So Kingfisher Airlines is down 3%. Of course, you heard earlier about the amount the promoters have pledged also, but SpiceJet also opening up in the red this morning from the aviation lot, and some buying coming into a few pharmaceutical names like Alembic, etc. So Alembic is up about 4% in trade. Otherwise, not a whole lot happening with the mid caps today. I just want to add also that on Sun TV, I think there have been some more disturbing reports, particularly because of the developments of last evening related to the Dhanati Maran. So Sun TV opens down 5% this morning.
Yeah, it's an okay opening for large caps and mid caps. Let's just quickly talk to the managements of the IPOs which are listed, and then we'll get back. First up, Rushil Decor. We have the management with us. We've got Krupesh Thakkar joining in from Rushil Decor. Krupesh, can you just start by telling us what you expect to achieve at the end of this year in terms of revenues and profits?
Yeah, our installed capacity of MDF is 90,000 cubic meter per year. So for MDF, we are going to achieve 50% of the capacity in this year. So we can get 30 crore from MDF revenue, and next year we can get 70 crore from MDF. So maybe our turnover will be around 170 crore.
In FY11 or FY12 you're talking about?
I'm talking about 12-13.
Krupesh, morning. So what will this 170 crores translate into on the bottom line for you in terms of a profit after tax?
Yeah, profit will be around 5 to 6%.
Okay. How much of the market do you hold right now, Krupesh? I mean, how organized is it, and what kind of market share do you hold amongst your peers?
Yeah, this is the furniture market. So it's a very huge market, and we are holding around 5% market share.
So you're saying that if you do 170 crores of top line, you'll probably do something in the vicinity of 8-9 crores in profit after tax, 5-6% margin?
Yeah, more than that, I think.
Okay. Thanks for joining in. That's the guidance from Rushil Record. They should do in the vicinity of 9 crores. That's their PAT margin on 170 crore guidance for next year. So you can work the math out there. The stock is now up 13%. Move to the other company, the smaller one.